Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today we're gonna present you guys a new separator. This is not new, but we just make a new color and we put the vacuum pump inside. So this is not a new member, but this is for this Q series, I mean for Q family, for Q1, Q5, Q3, Q4 we already have it. But this is the Q2. This is a new member for this family, but this is not a new product, just a new color and a better quality for this 14 inches separator. We call this for tablets, but actually this is you can also use it for cell phone. For 7 inches, for 5 inches, 7, 8, until 14 inches. So now I want to I'm gonna have a ruler. So I'm gonna measure the size of this separator. So I'm gonna stop this one because I have this for the demonstration. I'm gonna switch off. I'm gonna have the I'm gonna turn around this side. This is the silicone pad. I'm gonna put it on the top. So let's measure the size. 22 centimeter by 28. 22 by 28. So the size is because they made it, it's supposed to be 14 because they made this a corner, it's like a round, so that's why when I measure the size it's like only 13.5, but actually before it was like with here is like a rect, it's like how can I call this? It's not a round, so that's why it was same like 14. But actually, if you have like 14 inches tablet, you can use it. This separator can use it for the tablet. Okay, oh sorry. So, if you need it, this machine, let's take a very close look at all the finishing here. This machine with two pump inside, and yeah, it's always, I always recommend you guys to have a like this kind of separator. You can use it for cell phone, you can use it for tablets, and it's very how can I call this? It's very recommendable, and it's all very comfortable to use it, to have a big one, and also for preheating. Sometimes you have a lot of our customers, they have like one separator for tablets, but they use it for like preheating. Preheating means first you leave it there for, it's for big production. First you leave it there for half minutes. When you move from the preheating one, you put it on another small. For example, we have the I'm gonna have the Q1 explain to you guys well how we do this in China. For example, so I'm gonna put this Q1 here. So that's what I can explain to you guys well, how we made it, how my technician they do in China. So firstly, I'm gonna also find a screen here. Normally is for, let's say this is, I know this is the edge, but that's where's my iPhone screen? I want to find an iPhone screen for you guys. Just give me a second. I'll find an iPhone screen for you guys. Okay guys, here I have some iPhone screens. Let's say those are, just take an example. Let's say those are broken. Okay, let's assume they're broken. So my technician, they put it here first. For example, they're gonna put 4 pieces here first, right? It's like preheating. This here, they put it here for preheating, right? So as soon as like half minutes, they're gonna move it here on this Q1. They're gonna start separate with the cutting wire. So as soon as they finish this one, they're gonna have from this side, because this one is already preheated, so they're gonna put it here. Then I just need wait for maybe 10 seconds so they can start separating the glass. So in this case, or in this way, they can make this production faster, this whole process faster. So I hope that I have explained to you guys well. So for this Q2 separator, you can use it for the tablet, and also you can use it for preheating. So it is always recommend to have both of them, Q1 and Q2, because Q1 is with a 2 pump, and you can use it for iPhone, and also you can use it for edge, and also for cleaning glue. It's very, the space, you won't break the flex, or have less risk to break the flex. With this Q2, you can separate. If you're one of these, you can separate the tablet, and you can use it for cell phone, and you can also use it for preheating. So this is my recommendation. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like our YouTube channel, please subscribe our please click like, and also please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to receive our notification of our latest video, please click this bell, so in the future you can receive notification of our latest videos. Thank you very much for watching again, and see you next time.